Hi guys, welcome back to Code with Mousree, and it's me, Mousree. So today I will share you about the project of the prompt glow. I already shared a short about it, and yes, it is the final. So, okay, now I am going to click it. Okay, I'm another time clicking it. About the clicking, I'm clicking one and it changes the color. When I click, it changes the color. Okay, let's see how to make it. I want purple. Yes. Okay. So I have some glows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is 5. This is the main one. So glow S. This is the code of it, and this looks like this. I already shared tutorial with how to make this kind of things, or if I didn't, let me see how to make it. Just make like this. Like this is like something like this. Now I have to do this, and it will be like this. Okay. And so the code of the main means which I'm clicking this one, and this is the title. Let's close this is scratchtober and the heart. This is the title, and this is another. Maybe which one? This one. And this is also another one, and these are the costumes of them. Any color you want you can give. And this is the music. I made it, and how I made the music, you guys can tell. One music, what I did that I listened to again, and I copied all the sounds like video game, guitar charts, and didn't know this one. And this is how I made it. Just copy this and paste it here. Okay, this is how I made it. And I made another sprite as music because it helps me very much to find where is the music. And the background is black color. I made it, and it's simple to make black colored. And this is the backdrop which I made. Yes, you can get it from Google. Sorry very much because I don't have the links now. I deleted it. Okay, you can get any backdrop searching neon. And yes, now first I will do what? Glow. Now when switch backdrop to this, now save this and do this. Now it's done. Save now, and let's go to there. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye guys, take care. And also don't forget to join scratchtober.